So now we have the program. We are going to switch over to auto mode. So when I flip over to auto mode, now you can see that we have our program. The interface shows us the program, the progress, how far the program has proceeded through, how far the robot has proceeded through the program. We have a part counter, and we have our cycle time. We have the amperage and we have the voltage. We can press play on the teach pendant, or we can press the start button on the control panel. And as you can see, we have our wait for confirmation. We go, hit the start button. And as you can see with the stack lights, we have the robot is in auto mode, the blue light. We have it's in collaborative mode, the green light. And the robot is either welding or moving, which is the yellow light. So those are the indications for the stack lights. And you can see we're showing our progression. The robot has returned home, and this is why it's important to always have your program where it starts at home and ends at home, because if it hadn't ended at home, we would have to actually move the robot to home to get there. But now all we have to do is press the start button again. There's the go. Press, and now we are off to the next part.